is a daily driver worthy Chevrolet pickup truck. K2500 with 49,000 miles, cold AC. Let's take it for a spin. Yet again, we have a really nice Chevrolet four-wheel drive truck. Today we are in a 2000 Chevrolet K2500 with 49,382 actual miles. So for any truck, just under 50,000 miles is great miles. And this being a fuel-injected 5.7 with the 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission, it is a very reliable and a truck you can drive every single day. But to recap, you have your original numbers matching fuel-injected 5.7 or 350, whatever you want to call it. And then it is backed by the 4L80E overdrive transmission, so you can cruise this thing at 75, even 80 miles an hour. You can use this as a daily driver truck if you wanted to. Extremely reliable, very comfortable out on the open road. Being a 2500, being a K2500, it is a factory four-wheel drive setup. You have your selectable four-wheel drive push buttons here on the dash with your automatic locking hubs. Four-wheel drive system works exactly like it should. Power steering, as you'd expect, and then power front disc brakes. AC and heat both work exactly like they should. I have the AC on right now on the lowest setting, and it is ice cold, blowing out of the dash vents. We'll switch to the defrost and the floor as well, but I got it on the dash vents right now. We're about 70, 75 degrees, and it's blowing nice and cold, very comfortable on the inside of this pickup. Exhaust is the factory exhaust system on it, still retains the factory catalytic converters, stock style exhaust all the way out the back. Sounds great. You really hear more motor than you do exhaust. But this is a stock style truck, so nothing that I would worry about replacing unless you wanted a little bit more of an exhaust system. Then you could go with some true duals or some a Flowmaster muffler, whatever someone would want. But right now the stock application works exactly like it should. On the interior, it is the factory light smoke gray interior, and it represents almost brand new in here. Nothing to really note. The door panels are excellent. The top of the dash, the plastics, all of that shows great. The lower portion of the dash is in excellent condition as well. You have your fold down middle armrest here with the console on the top. Seat covers are in great shape. It's a 70-30 split bench. It's really basically a bench seat, but the passenger seat is its own seat, which slides forward and back if you want it to. Same thing with the seat over here. Glove box opens and closes properly. Your headliner's in excellent condition. The only real note is the visor material is a little bit loose on both visors, but nothing is torn, cracked, or broken on any of the plastics. Really, the inside of this truck represents fantastic. As you'd expect for a 2000 model K2500 with only 49,000 miles, lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, everything is working on this truck. The only thing I don't know, or the only two things I don't know if they don't work, is I don't have any cassettes to put in there, and I don't have any CDs to put in there, but the stereo itself does function. The doesn't work section will be posted on the website, pcclassiccars.com. You're gonna find that in the inventory tab. Click on this truck, scroll to the very bottom. You'll see that additional media section for this truck. It'll have the clean Carfax, the clean auto check, the photos of the motor numbers, the tags on the truck, as well as that doesn't work section, so make sure you guys check that out for all those extra goodies. We are warmed up, so let's test out that 255 horse and 330 foot-pounds of torque. Smooth, easy power getting up to highway speeds. That transmission shifts exactly like you want it to. Zero complaints mechanically from this truck. I would hop in it and drive it anywhere someone would want to go. Use it as a daily driver, keep it as an extra vehicle, keep it as a lower mileage collectible. Fantastic truck for any of those options. On the underneath, the floors are fantastic. The frame is great. Bottom side of the bed, the inner rockers, the inner fenders, I see no problems of rust, no real corrosion issues of any kind. Good, solid, original pickup on the bottom. On the exterior, it is the factory red paint. The paint quality is great. It's got some touch-ups and flaws on the hood. It has some imperfections kind of walking around the truck. There's a little scuff on the the bed side over on the passenger side right below the taillight lens on the outside of the bedside. There's like some little scuffs that have been touched up there. A few little dings on the lower portion of the tailgate. The top of the tailgate looks like it probably had a cap on it at one point, and the paint is kind of rubbed off around the top of the tailgate. And then again, just walking around the truck, the trim has a few little dings, little imperfections kind of walking around the pickup. But overall, cosmetically, it shows great. The trim is all in excellent condition. You have nice tires all the way around. The wheels look like they're in great condition. Front and rear bumpers look good. You do not have a spray-in bed liner in the back. If you wanted to, you could put a spray-in bed liner in there and that would look fantastic. But right now, it shows great. The bed floor is not beat up, just has a few little scuffs. Same thing with the inside of the tailgate. It's got a few little scuffs. Probably had a drop-in bed liner in it at one point. It's just my guess, but a spray-in would look great back there, or even a bed mat if you wanted to take it to the next level. But inside the bed's in great condition. All your suspension is factory equipment. Being a K2500, you would think that it's gonna be a little bit rougher, but it really drives like a modern truck. The suspension does not beat you to death. The steering is really nice and tight and very responsive. Same thing with the brakes. It stops the truck really well. No pull left, no pull right. Really performs like a lower mileage truck. It's great. There's nothing for me to complain about on this pickup outside of just some little cosmetic touch-ups, which you will find photos of in that additional media section. But this is a fantastic pickup. You're not really buying a whole lot better if you want a four-wheel drive truck with low miles and cold AC than something like this. This is a great, great pickup to drive every day. All your glass is in excellent condition. The windshield has a few little stone nicks in it, and the side windows have a little bit of streaking going up and down, but the windows roll all the way up and down like they should. Your power windows, the power locks, you have your power mirrors as well, functioning on both sides. Back glass is a solid back glass. Again, outside the little streaks and then the little nicks in the windshield, glass is in great condition. Rear view mirror is clear and easy to see out of. No haziness on that. Got your headlights here, you got your dome light, kick that on and off. Got your little reading lights here, little map lights. Both of those are working like they should. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. Under heavy acceleration, it downshifts like you want it to. It pulls well through all of the gears and through the RPM range. Gauges are all functioning. Tach, speedo, odometer's rolling, great oil pressure, great temperature, voltage, fuel gauge, no issues with any of that stuff. No weird smells on the inside of this truck. It still almost smells like a new truck on the inside here. Another note on the inside, you have this one-piece floor mat, and it shows great. Carpet underneath that is also in great condition. When you pop the hood, it is the original numbers matching 5.7. All of your serviceable items, belts, hoses, fluids, everything checks out great. The charging system is doing its job exactly like it's supposed to. No dead battery issues on this one. Radiator looks good. It's kind of a no-nonsense pickup. It's a great truck. That'll be my terminology for this test drive video. It's a great truck. Sometimes when these vehicles don't have anything wrong, it's pretty easy for me to get through all the good and then just enjoy this afternoon drive in an awesome pickup. Very comfortable. Suspension again feels good. Very responsive out on the open road. Brake pedal feels good under heavier braking. Truck stops nice. You guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2000 Chevrolet K2500 with 49,389 actual miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out all of the killer content the marketing team is putting out every single day, and we will catch you guys on the next video.